Today I back my Delonix that was sent to me from Jarhead over at Jarhead Bonsai. You should check out his channel if you haven't already. He has a lot of Delonix and, well, a lot of other cool trees. So once you finish this video, you should go and see what he's up to. Anyway, this tree is looking very healthy and it's growing very well. If you remember in the last video, I was saying how it likes to grow a bit and then one of the leaves will freak out and turn yellow and sort of drop off. And then it kind of gets stuck in a bit of a growth cycle and just keeps doing this. It's not doing it right here, but this will be short-lived. You can see here in November, one or two of the leaves are turning yellow. Also, one leaf on these is the whole branch-looking structure. So really this tree only has a handful of leaves. It's just that those leaves are made up of lots of smaller leaves, which is a bit confusing. In December, it's pretty much more of the same. These trees are meant to be evergreen, and they are under my grow light, so they shouldn't be going dormant or shutting down for the winter, even if it kind of looks like they are. I've heard they can be deciduous when grown in some areas, so maybe that's what's happening here. As you can see, as the winter progresses, it sort of just looks sadder and sadder. I thought there might be some improvement by February, but it just looks equally as miserable. It then looks really dreadful in March. But I think I need to point out the trunk. It has thickened up quite a lot since I got it. It still has no branching, but what do you expect when its leaves keep falling off? But as a trunk, it's really great. It has lots of gentle movement up it. I'm really happy with that aspect of it. In April, it's reached the peak of its misery. Is anyone else starting to get a little worried about it? Because I certainly was. But it's actually alright, it's covered in buds. So I'm just going to chalk the whole last few months off as a winter period, and we'll see what it does this time next year. Maybe this is just what it does. In May it looks a lot happier and greener, and luckily it just keeps getting better and better as the summer months approach. It is still dropping some leaves, but it is also growing them a lot faster than it's losing them, so I can live with that. I also still haven't done any work on this, but I won't be doing any for a while, until it stabilises and just grows. Once I can get it to stop dropping leaves, I will start thinking about working it. So who knows when that will be, but for now I'm happy enough of it. It is getting there. And here we are now. It's still mostly looking pretty good. Maybe a little yellow in here and there, but overall it seems happy enough. Thanks for watching, see you next time.